Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Hello Irresistible Suite of products. I have the now sold out loose frosted dots, the Irresistible Blooms stamp set and dies, as well as the Hello Irresistible Designer Series paper, and we're going to add in the basic 3D embossing folders, okay? But before we get to our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. I have our April paper pumpkin kit, all the little things. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, which there is a link in the description box below. In this paper pumpkin kit, you will be making 9 cards, and you will also be getting a free box organizer that is included with this kit. And it's going to be to organize your stamping spots that come with your paper pumpkin kit every month. Next up, we have our March 2023 host code. When you place an order of $100 or more and use this particular host code, I'm going to send you a mystery box filled with $200 plus or minus of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. This is a promotion that you can only get at Honeybee Stampin' Hive. Now, if your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. However, you will still qualify to get your free mystery box, okay? That is all of our buzzworthy business for today, so let's go ahead and get started with our project. Now, I have some Designer Series paper here. This one is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. We have one that is 5 1/4 by 1 3/4. This one is about 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut it down to size. I think it's going to be 4 3/4. Then I have this piece that is die cut using the stitched rectangles dies. I've already gone ahead and done that. And I also have some elements that I die cut out of the designer paper using the dies, okay? We also have some basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. 5 1/4 by 4. Then we have some soft succulent that is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and our card base of thick basic white that is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and get our bone folder and burnish that score mark down, and then we can proceed to put our card together. So first thing we're going to do is some stamping. I'm just making sure I have the right paper here. I have some soft succulent ink, and we're going to stamp our sentiment on the front of our card using the Hooray, It's Your Day. And we're going to stamp it in the lower right hand corner, just like that. Oh, I rocked. So let's turn this. Oh, let me see. I might not have to turn it over, just turn it upside down. Yep. That will cover it. So let's try not to rock it this time. And I still did it. We're going to have to leave it because I don't want to turn the paper over. Okay, so then I have to get some scrap paper. And I'm going to stamp this little cluster of just dottage. I want some darker than others, but I don't want it too dark. Some of this you're not even going to be able to see, but I just want to get that on there. And I think that is all the stamping we need. So now what we're going to do is get our Stampin' and Cut Emboss machine. And we're going to emboss this layer. So we need to get let me move this out of the way so I won't crush any of our elements here. I don't want to mess anything up. So we're going to be using the folder that has like that hash marks in it. We're going to put the paper in the folder, but we're not going to do it all the way down because I don't want to do it across my sentiment. So we're going to just stop it right above the sentiment, just like that. Okay? Just put that into our machine here and roll it through. Okay, so now we have that done. just adding a little extra something to our background. And we're going to go ahead and start gluing elements down. So I have my multi-purpose liquid glue here. And we're going to get this put on. I think the dark goes at the bottom. Just going to line this up. It goes all the way down our cardstock, just like that. Then we're going to get this piece. Oh man, it looks like I might need some new glue in a minute here. And we are going to, yeah, I like it like this. We're going to put this down right to where the embossing ends. Trying to get it straight, just like that, okay? And let's go ahead and add this to our, what is this? The soft succulent layer. Goodness gracious. So we're gonna put some glue on the back of this. And I'm gonna need quite a bit. I might need to open up some new glue here. Yes, let me open up some new glue. Okay, so I have the glue. Now let's just continue on and put this on our soft succulent layer. It's going to just give a tiny border just for a little pop of color. And then we're going to pop this onto our card base. Making sure it opens correctly. I'm going to pop this right here with a small white border. And then we're going to take our other basic white piece and we're going to glue this down to it. And I shouldn't have put the glue on this paper because it's too long. What was I thinking? So we're going to just put that down right there. Good, I didn't get the glue too much, too far over the edge here. So we're just going to snip off the extra. Okay, and then we're going to add this to our other designer series paper, the 5 1/4 by 4 layer. Going to add that right in the center. Trying to get it straight. You guys know me and straight. We don't exactly get along. Look at this. Oh, all those flowers that could be cut out of this paper. But I like the other side as well. This paper is great for people that don't like coloring, because you can just die cut the flowers right out of the paper and it's already colored for you. The flowers and the leaves, as we're going to see here in a moment. So let's move this out of the way, close up our glue. So now let's get our flower elements, and I am going to, let's see, how are we going to put this on here? I think I'm going to put the big one down flat. And I'm just going to put glue in the middle there, just like that. I think, oh, I want this one right here. This is going to get popped up on dimensionals. When I tell you guys I don't have everything planned out, I really don't. I just know half of what I'm going to do, and the rest of it I am putting together as I do the card. Okay, I think I want this one on this side. So we're going to lift up our big flower right here just a little bit. Put that there. Do I want this one there? Yeah, I got it there now. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and pop this one up about right here. like that. And we're going to take this little tiny one that does have a die to die cut it from the paper. And we're going to just pop this one in right here like that. And then we are going to add some embellishments. And I think I want to put one right here, one here. Let's put another one right there, and one here. Oop, that was a lot. I only need a little bit of glue. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go ahead and put another one about right here. Just like that. So now we just have to remember where we put all our glue. So let's get our embellishments out. It has the Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, and Pretty Peacock. But I think the Pretty Peacock might be a little too strong of a color for this. So let's put a big one. Where did I put that big glob of glue? Is this it right here? We'll put that one there. We'll do another big one in the pink this time. And I guess we'll do it there. It just fell off. I was going to check and see. Oh no. Okay. These have different sizes on them. So let's put a yellow one up there. And a little tiny yellow one right here. And a pink one. A medium-sized pink one right there. Come off. Take your pick. Who wants to hold on to it. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. So I got all my glue covered up. And that is it, you guys. That is our card. Done. Isn't that cute? I love this designer series paper. And these embossing folders are gorgeous. Oh, I see what I didn't do. I was supposed to turn this. Let's see if we can lift this up. That needs to go under more because it's hanging off the side of our card. Like that. Okay. Let's get that taken care of. I forgot to glue the leaf down on this side. Wow. There we go. That's better. But that is our card. Done. So that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.